Hello! Today in class we're going to solve another example where we're going to apply the rules of operations with rational numbers. In this example, we need to pay attention to the signs of the result in order to get the correct answer. Let's write down the example. For example, 3/4 minus 1.78 divided by 3/4 plus 3.19 times the number minus 3/7. Perform the actions in order. The first step, 3/4 minus 1 whole 7/8. We will divide the result of this action by the fraction 3/4. The next action is 3 whole 1/9 times minus 3/7. This is the third action. The fourth action is the result of the second action plus the result of the third action. Write it down. 3/4 minus 1.78. We've seen fractional numbers. In order to add or subtract fractional numbers, we need the denominator to be the same. To do that, we need to find the lowest common denominator. And the denominator is the number 8. Because 8 can be divided by 4 and 8 divided by 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 8 divided by 8 is 1. The result is the following fractional numbers. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8, minus one whole number. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 8 is 8. 6/8 minus 1 whole 7/8. Let's review the rules of adding numbers with different signs. Why the addition? Because I can write down 6/8 plus minus 1 whole 7/8. And then from 1 whole 7/8 we subtract 6/8. We get 1.18. Don't forget to put the sign of the number that we subtracted from. The minus sign, second action. The number minus one whole number. 1/8, we need to divide by a fraction, 3/4. We convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 1 is 9, that's a fraction. A fraction minus 9/8. Let's immediately apply the rule of dividing a mixed number by a fractional number. We'll write the division sign through multiplication and invert the 3/4 fraction. Or, as they say in math, let's find the inverse of that number. 4/3. Let's divide the number 3 and 9 by 3. 3, 1. The number 4 and 8 times 4. 1, 2. The result is 3 times 1 is 3. And 2 times 1 is 2. But we multiplied a negative number by a positive number. The answer is a negative number. Next action, 3. The number 3.19. Well, we need to multiply by the negative number minus 3/7. Using the multiplication rule for fractional numbers and mixed numbers, we will convert a mixed number into an improper fraction, and that number is 28/9 multiplied by the number minus 3/7. We're multiplying a positive number by a negative number, so I'm going to put a minus sign right away. Now 28 and 7 can be divided by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 9 and 3 can be divided by 3. 3 times 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. The result is a fraction minus 4/3. And the last action, the fourth action. The result of the second action is the number minus 3/2. Let's write down minus 3/2. Plus the number minus 4/3. That's the result of the third action. That's what I'm writing down, but I have to remember that I have to add the number minus 4/3. So I'll write that number in parentheses, minus 4/3. Now we need to add two negative numbers together. If we need to add two numbers with the same sign, I add them together and put a minus sign. But say minus 3/2 and minus 4/3 have different denominators. We're going to bring it to a common denominator. The common denominator is the number 6, therefore. The extra multiplier is 3. And the second fractional number has an additional factor of 2. The result is minus 9. 6 plus minus 8/6. And now, we add two negative numbers together. The result is a negative number. 9 plus 8 is 17. Minus 17/6. Let's write the result as a mixed number. 17 divided by 6 is 2, and we put 5 in the numerator, and we leave the denominator 6. The result is the answer minus 2.5/6. When you solve examples that involve rational numbers, you're working with positive and negative numbers. Be careful with the sign. And that's all for today. Goodbye. See you again.